Hi everybody, I'm here at the Sabados Gallery in the Decor-Rest showroom, and I want to talk about the trend of decorative accent tables and the versatility of coffee tables if you're in the market for one. Now firstly, I would like to talk about this one here. Now this is a coffee table ottoman combo that I designed. This was built for a busy family room. So first, you have the comfort of this extended ottoman that's on this side here, and then there's the versatility of this sleek coffee table that was designed to go perfectly over top. So as you can see, you can have drinks or food on one side and comfort on the other. Also, this was designed so that you can have two of these coffee tables over top of this ottoman to build one large square coffee table. And this ottoman can easily tuck underneath and be pulled out when you need additional seating. Now, talking about the trend of decorative accent tables, find something that's going to be unique to your space. Don't get something in a matching set because it really should stand out. This one here from my studio collection I love because there's these tiny little skull details on the side which are really cute. And if you entertain a lot, this table is perfect for you because the tray lifts off. You can go to the kitchen, replenish drinks, and come back in and put it down. Perfect for multiple use. Here in the Decor-Rest showroom, I absolutely fell in love with this tiny little drinks table. Now, never overlook something that's this small when it has so many fantastic uses. Number one, it's perfect if you live in a small condo. It's wonderful to have drinks on if you're entertaining, or if you'd like to entertain a lot, this is really handy to place around a room so that people, again, can place their drinks or hors d'oeuvres on. I also think this is fantastic. If you have a laptop, you can easily set it up here and work on that. Or you can easily tuck it away if you live in a small space. So never underlook the power of something this small. One of my favorite little decorative accent tables is this one here from my studio line. Now, although this seems large in scale, it doesn't feel overwhelming for the space because of the openness of this faceted metal here. Now, I was talking about mixing and matching, and you can see I placed it here with my DNA table in chrome, which really works well with the linear pattern of this and the black metal. So I urge you to really mix and match and play around with these wonderful decorative accent tables. Nesting tables certainly aren't new to the design world, although I love these little Berlin tables from my collection. They're perfect size for a little side table, and then you have these tiny little drinks tables that can be placed anywhere in the room. Perfect for a condo. This has to be probably one of my favorite decorative accent tables. This is called the Linda table, and it comes in multiple sizes. This one here is for a condo size. It's probably one of the smallest ones. And this thing I absolutely love because it has so many multiple uses. And for a condo, as you can see, this is perfect for a bar. The wine bottles and liquor will sit easily underneath. And because of this little rail, all the little glasses can be easily tucked in. So when you're looking for these little decorative accent tables, look for these small details that will suit your lifestyle.